Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here we are today.
Today is
Early in the
day.
morning. Early in the morning. Ayan. So this is the Dingalan Bay. Ayan. Oh. And we are waiting. We are waiting.
Alam mo mamaya mas mainit.
We are waiting for the others. They are comforting each other.
Hindi mo pa dinala.
Hindi pala naka...
Oh, galaw, video po yan. Saya niyo po ha.
Sama, kamay-kamay!
Saya nila.
Hiking na saya, hiking. Hiking tayo. Nadyan na saya mag-faster.
May hawakan pala oh. Oh. Hello guys, we are here at the Sierra Madre mountain range as we experience trekking with the music background from Don Romantico, our tour guide. Okay, kaya nyo yan. Video to.
Baka hindi na kayo bumaba.
Anong tawag sa puno na to, kuya? Ang gandang puno. Oh. Siguro gawa yan ng nature. Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Matandanes. Matandanes dito sa part na to. So aakyat kami. Doon naman ang Batanes of the North. Okay? Ayan. Ayan, malapit na kami sa Batanes. Pero kanina, nakakapagod sa Matandanes. Hello guys, we are here at Mountain View Deck. As you can see at the back. So we are in the second siguro ka po, baka ma-fall ako sa'yo Kuya Jason. Madami na. We are here at Mountain View.